Hello everyone, myself Srimati Kazi A.H., Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Sirampur. Today I will discuss about for arranging the bridge course 8 standard chapters. Its name is metals and non-metals. Are you new students? Periodic table? Yes or no? In periodic tables, there are 118 elements, and these 118 elements which are classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. Today we discuss about metals and non-metals. Firstly, we say what is the definition of metals. Firstly, what do you mean by metals? Metals means which forms positive ions by losing the electrons. See here. What are the examples of metals? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, gold, silvers. Metals कोणते येते? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, gold, silver, etc. In periodic table, majority of elements which are metals, some are non-metals and few are metalloids. And metals means which produces positively charge when losing the electrons. See, sodium element, their atomic number is 11, electronic configuration 281. In the electronic configuration, valence shell electronic configuration of sodium element, it is the 1 electron, so that we know that each and every element acquire 8 electrons in their valence shell, so that sodium element, atom of an element which loses 1 electron to produce Na plus cations, and their electronic configuration is 2, 8 and loses the 1 electron to form the cations. Na plus positively charged ion, it is called as the cations. So that metals are called electropositive. Why it is called electropositive? Because sodium or metals which lost the electron and positive cations are formed, so that it is called as the metals are called electropositive. Okay, then next we say what is the definition of non-metals. Non-metals means which forms negative ions by gain the electrons, by accept the electrons. See here, what are the examples of non-metals? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, phosphorus, etc. These are the non-metals. See, we see the in this, see that oxygen having the atomic number 8, electronic configuration 2, 6. See here, oxygen atom, there is the 6 electrons in the valence shell, and so that acquiring the stability, oxygen atom gains 2 electrons, so that oxygen atom gains 2 electrons to form negatively charged anions, and their electronic configuration is gains the 2 electrons. Electronic configuration is 2, 8 and it is called as the anions, and their electronic configuration is 2,8. Gains the electrons and losses 1 electron to form the cations, metals, and non-metals are called electronegative. Why it is called as the electronegative? Because which gains the electrons and produce the anions. Oxygen which having the 2- charge and produce the negatively charged ions. In this way we see that what is mean by metals and non-metals. Then next point, firstly we see what are the physical properties of metals, in which first physical properties of metal, which is the physical state. In this physical state we know that metals generally in the form of solid states. Metals हे काय जनरली कोणत्या फॉर्म मध्ये असतात? सॉलिड स्टेट ॲट अ रूम टेम्परेचर. Exceptional case is that except mercury and gallium. Mercury and gallium, these are in the liquid state at room temperature. Okay, physical state. In physical state metals are solid at room temperature. Exceptional case is that mercury and gallium which are in the form of liquid state. Then second property of metal, it is the luster. Luster means shining in nature. Shine, चकाकी जे म्हणतो आपण luster, it is the shining in nature. In metals, most of the metals which are lustrous means they have shining surface. म्हणजे मेटल्स हे काय शायनिंग सरफेसनी शो होतात, दाखवतात, आपल्याला लक्षात येतात. मेटल्स विच आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ शायनिंग सरफेस. देन थर्ड फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी विच इज द हार्डनेस. हार्डनेस मीन्स what is the hard. Then in metals we see that most of the metals which are hard, कठीण असतात. metals, most of the metals which are hard. Exceptional case is that sodium, potassium, lithium, etc. These are which are soft in nature. Alkali metals which are soft in nature. Okay, then next fourth property, it is called as the ductility. Ductility means लवचिकता म्हणतो आपण. metals are ductile in nature. Ductile in nature means they are they can be drawn into a thin wire. म्हणजे मेटल्सला आपण ताणून अशी वायर प्रोड्यूस करता येतं. म्हणजे त्याचं मेटलचं रूपांतर तारेमध्ये करता येतं. त्याच्यामुळे मेटल्सला काय म्हणलेलं आहे? मेटल्स आर डक्टाइल इन नेचर. ओके, अँड इन धिस डक्टाइल इन नेचर वी नो दॅट, सो दॅट इन जनरली वी नो दॅट गोल्ड, सिल्वर्स which are goldsmith, which are gold from gold, silver, these metals, goldsmith, these converted into the wire, means chain, making the chain, wire of silver, gold. Okay, then next property, it is the malleability. Malleable, most of the metals which are malleable in nature. Malleable means, these means metals can be beaten into a thin sheet. म्हणजे मेटल्स पासून मेटलला अशा प्रकारे ठोकून पत्रे तयार करता येतात. शीट, मेटल्स विच आर beaten into a thin sheet, and so that this property of metal, it is called as the malleability, and metal shows the malleable in nature. Okay, and in this we know that iron, लोखंड म्हणतो आपण, लोखंडाची पत्रे तयार करता येतात. आयर्न एक प्रकारचे Fe हा काय आहे, मेटल आहे आणि त्याच्यापासून आपल्याला माहित आहे टू फॉर्म द शीट. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट 6 प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ metal, it is the conduction of heat and electricity. Firstly we see what is the conduction of heat. Conduction of heat means metals are good conductors of heat. म्हणजे मेटल मधून जो काय हीट आहे ती पास केली जाते, कंडक्ट करतं. मेटल हा काय करतं, हीट हे काय करतं, कंडक्ट करतं. त्याला काय, त्याच्यामुळे त्याला काय म्हणलेलं आहे, मेटल्स आर द good conductors of heat. Metals are the good conductors of heat, and also metals are good conductors of electricity. Electricity सुद्धा metals मधून काय होते, पास होते. त्याच्यामुळे metals are good conductors of heat and as well as good conductors of electricity. We know that for conduction of heat, which metals we generally use? The silver, copper, aluminum, iron. These are the best conductors of heat. जे एक्झाम्पल मी सांगते, एक्सेप्शनल केस जे काय सांगितले जातात, मोस्टली तुमची जे काय इनकमिंग CET असेल किंवा MCQ टाईप जर क्वेश्चन असतील त्यामध्ये विचारले जातात. त्यामुळे एक्सेप्शनल केस लक्षात ठेवायचं. तर यामध्ये काय सांगितलं मी तुम्हाला, मेटल्स आर गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट. आणि यामध्ये स्पेशली कोणते मेटल्स गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ किंवा बेस्ट कंडक्टर्स ऑफ हीट आहेत, विच आर सिल्वर, कॉपर, ॲल्युमिनियम, आयर्न. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट कंडक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, विच आर ऑल्सो मेटल्स आर ऑल्सो गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. मेटल्स आर विच आर द गुड कंडक्टर्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. एक्सेप्शनल जी काही केस आहे इन विच it is the good conductors of electricity. Then next point, 7 physical property of metals, which is the melting point and boiling point. We know that melting point and boiling point. And for metals are high melting point and boiling point. Exceptional case is that mercury, gallium, sodium, potassium. We know that in metals, mercury and gallium, which in the form of liquid state, sodium and potassium, which are the soft, hard metal. Generally metals are hard. Exceptional case is that sodium and potassium, which are the soft. So that exceptional cases sodium and potassium, and also exceptional cases liquid state for physical state for metals, mercury and gallium, which having the low melting point. These metals, exceptional case, these metals which having the low melting point, and generally metals which have the high melting point. Okay. Then next, density. What is meant by density? Can you tell me, anyone? Students, are you know density? Mass upon volume means it is called as the density. In density, most of the metals which having the high density, metals have high density. Metal ची घनता ही काय असते, जास्त असते, high असते. Exceptional case is that sodium, potassium, lithium, which having the low density than water. पाण्यापेक्षा सोडियम, पोटॅशियम, लिथियम यांची डेन्सिटी काय असते, कमी असते. ओके. बट जनरली मेटल्स हॅव हाय डेन्सिटी. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट,